this module, you are learning how to send surveys using Dynamics 365 Customer Voice to gather feedback from customers. This video will demonstrate how to import a CSV file of contacts and then use the data to send them a survey. This method is a great option to use after a lead generation exercise such as an event or trade show. To begin, we will navigate to All Projects. We then double-click on the name of a project to open it. From the Event Follow-up Survey, we click on the Send tab. Next, we click on Customization and then click on the Distribution settings. From the Respondents area, we have a setting to add respondents as contacts. This is turned on by default, meaning if a survey is sent to an email address that is not already in the related Common Data Service environment, they will automatically be created as a new contact record. Although this is likely helpful in some scenarios, it will not be the right approach for every situation, so the setting can be turned on or off as required. We can now click on the Email option from the Send menu. Clicking on Upload Contacts will open up a new panel. A sample CSV file can be downloaded and then used to add the contacts to. However, the file is very simple to create. It just needs 3 columns with email address, first name and last name as headers. The first row is assumed to be the header and won't be included, and up to 10,000 contacts can be uploaded from one file. Once the file has been prepared and is ready to be used, we can click on Upload. We can then browse out to the location of the file, select it, and then click Open. All of the rows in the file will be parsed and the email, first name and last name added to a contact preview area. The data can be reviewed if required. A checkbox at the bottom of the panel gives us the option to update the contact information if the imported recipient already exists as a contact in the related Common Data Service environment. Keep in mind that as only the first and last names are in the file, those are the only 2 pieces of data that could possibly be updated. We then click on Import and close the Upload Contacts panel. It now shows that there are 100 recipients for this email. After selecting the appropriate template and making any necessary changes to the email, we can click Send. Customer Voice will then process and send out an email to each of the recipients that was in the original CSV file that was imported.